Okay, so here we have a cupboard that's going into the house. It's sanding, like I've mentioned in other videos, and painting. Which I don't have to show you here because I've shown you how to sand and paint on other videos. Look at my other videos on varnish. It's the same thing except you use a paintbrush to do it. Use the paint, not tissues or cotton wool. And it's just about painting, just painting it with the grain, going with the grain. But one thing that I want to show you here is that these, hang on, let me just get something. That these screws here are loose. You may not see it on that side, but there's inches there. They're all going to be checked and make sure that they are tight in. Okay, and fixed up. This one's pretty tight, but the other ones up there, I noticed on the other side are loose. Okay, so we do that and just amount of screwing them in and making them tight as simple as that. It's not a big deal, just tighten the screw for it to be tight. If the screw is loose and won't tighten, it means that the hole has become bigger and the screw is loose. So you have to pull the screw out and put something in its place, like you may fill it up with polyfiller or putty or sawdust and glue, PVA glue. Or what is a good way of doing it is put a toothpick in there. It's a little hole, little holes with PVA glue, and just snap it in the end there, and then just screw it on there. So I don't think I have to show you this. I think you guys understand that. Like for example here, I think it's so somewhere where it's loose. These are tight then, actually. Yeah, here on this one is loose. So we have to kind of like, put it in there like that and tighten it. The camera may not see it from there, but you just tighten the screws as I said, repeat, and you are on the way. So here's another cupboard that I had to do and repair. Now so far I haven't seen any other problems with it. It's pretty good condition. Okay, that's already repaired there. That should be fine. So another thing we have to do is we do a similar cupboard like that, which is over here. It's a little bit smaller, just over there. Here, this one here. It's going to take a lot of sand for this. Okay, and pretty much the same thing. Check the hinges, make sure they're tight, and screw them on if they're not. And that's about it. I'll be checking them properly after I close the video and make sure they're nice and tight. And both of these cupboards, as I repeat, just need sanding and then painting. And when you paint, you go with the grain, up and down with the grain, not against the grain, okay? And that's all there is to know about that. Just go with the grain and make sure the paint is thin, not thick. If you want to make it thick, put more than one coat, put a lot of thin layers of coat. So you put a thin layer of, you will sand it first, put a thin layer of paint, spread it properly so it's a thin layer. Then you would paint it, sand it a little bit, then put another thin layer of paint, and etc. You can repeat that as many times as you want to thicken it up, but you don't put a thick paint in one go, because what happens is you get peelings. When it's thick, the paint will peel off. Thinner, the better. You can also use water in watercolor paints to water it a little bit, make it a little bit even thinner. Okay? So that's all there is to this lesson. I'm sure you know about painting and sanding and screwing nails by now. In the lessons that we had in other videos, you would have understood that in the varnish videos. So here it's the same thing as I repeat, except that you are painting with a paintbrush now. Okay, so thanks for watching, and God be with you all, bless you all.